Welcome to my channel, Penina at Mswahili TV. Let's practice pronouncing syllables that are made of consonants and vowels. So I have combined the consonants and the vowels. One consonant and a vowel. So let us practice pronouncing them as follows. With the consonant B plus the vowels A, E, I, O, U, we have ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Consonant D plus the vowels da, de, di, do, du. Consonant F plus the vowels fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Consonant G plus the vowels ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Consonant H plus the vowels ha, he, hi, ho, hu. J plus the vowels ja, je, ji, jo, ju. K plus the vowels ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. L plus the vowels la, le, li, lo, lu. M plus the vowels ma, me, mi, mo, mu. And there are so many. N plus the vowels na, ne, ni, no, nu. P plus the vowels pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Consonant R plus the vowels ra, re, ri, ro, ru. S plus the vowels sa, se, si, so, su. T plus the vowels ta, te, ti, to, tu. V plus the vowels va, ve, vi, vo, vu. W plus the vowels wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Then here we have ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Lastly, za, ze, zi, zo, zu. So you can practice this if you really need to pronounce Kiswahili words. It begins from these syllables, and this forms the major part of the many words in Kiswahili. So most of the syllables that make up the Kiswahili words are made of consonants and syllables. I can give you examples of these words. Now, from syllable ba, if you combine ba and another ba, you get baba, baba, baba. Baba in English is father. If you combine this syllable be and ba, you get beba, 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 which means carry. Syllable boo plus another boo, you get boo-boo, boo-boo, who is a mute. If you combine ba and boo, you get babu, 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 which means grandfather. If you combine syllable b and b, you get bibi, 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 which means grandmother. If you combine syllable da plus da, you get dada, 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 which means sister. If you combine syllable do plus do, that gives you do-do, 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 which is an insect. If you combine ma plus another ma, you get mama, mama, which means mother. If you combine la plus another la, you get lala, lala. Lala means sleep. If you combine syllable me and me, you get mimi, mimi, which means me. If you combine we plus another we, you get wewe, 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 which means you. If you combine na plus ni, you get nani, nani. Nani means who. If you combine sa plus sa, you get sasa, 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 which means now. And these are just words made of 2 syllables in Kiswahili. So you can also get words which contain more than 2 syllables, making up Kiswahili words. For example, here I've taken syllable ma plus z plus wa to get maziwa, maziwa. Maziwa is milk. I've combined here ma plus 2 plus c to get matusi, matusi, which is an insult. I've taken here syllable za plus wa plus di to get zawadi, zawadi. Zawadi means a gift. And lastly here, there is syllable ki plus ta plus bu. You get kitabu, 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 which is a book. So that one becomes easier for you to pronounce words in Kiswahili. So we follow the syllables. We follow the syllables. So you can go through and pronounce those syllables which are made by consonant and a vowel, and you will be able to pronounce or read through Kiswahili texts in future. So we can practice again. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. I said these 2 can make baba, beba, bibi, bubu. We have da, de, di, do, do. I gave an example of do-do. We have fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. You see how easy it becomes? Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Sa, se, si, so, su. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, yu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. So, you can practice that all over again, and if given a sentence in Kiswahili, you can be able to pronounce. Let me write here a sentence for you. Now, there is that sentence there. You can read it out loud. Just follow the syllables. I had thought about those made by only vowels. So here, there is syllable. Ba, ba. So it is ba, ba. This is a syllable, a, made of one vowel. Na, so, ma. Anasoma. Anasoma. Here we have ga, ze, ti. Ga, ze, ti. Gazeti. Gazeti. So the sentence reads, Baba anasoma gazeti. Baba anasoma gazeti. Which means, Father is reading the newspaper. Father is reading the newspaper. Thank you. Stay tuned for more lessons on Kiswahili pronunciation, and please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Kwaheri. Mungu awabariki sana.